Dear students, domestic animals help us in many ways, so we should love them. We should take care of them. Students, can you tell me how we can take care of domestic animals?
We should give domestic animals food to eat.
Yes, we should give domestic animals food to eat. Similarly, we should make homes for them to live in. We should make a shed for the cow and the buffalo to live in. We should make a pen for the goat and the sheep to live in. We should make a sty for the pig and the sow to live in.
We should make a kennel for the dog to live in. We should make the coop for the hen and the duck to live in.
Students, if anyone beats you with a stick, do you not feel pain? Do you? Domestic animals too feel pain if we beat them with sticks. So, we should never beat an animal with a stick.
We should not pull their tails either.
Similarly, we should not kick a dog and a cat. We should not tease them either.